Let's start with prep using your free Mesme prep kit. Don't be tempted to skip this step. Taking time to prepare your nails really helps your wraps to last. Use the stick to gently push back your cuticles. You don't want your wrap to stick to cuticles or it will lift early. File your nails to the shape you want them. You can give an extra file at the end. Use the buffer to gently remove any dirt or glue, especially from previous wraps. Use the prep pad, which you'll find inside your nail wraps box, to give the surface a good clean. Make sure your nails are dry before now applying the wraps. Be fearless, be mesme.